evening. Swagat. Welcome to the all-important finals of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. It's the table toppers Eagle Nashik Titans taking on a team who finished third at the end of the league stage, who have made it after playing two back-to-back knockouts, and that's the Raigad Royals. Yes, the Eagle Nashik Titans in the meanwhile also won the toss and they decided to field first. That's the call that Prashant Solanki has been continuously taking, and that's the starting 11 for both the teams. You don't see a lot of changes there. Rishabh Rathod, there'll be a lot of questions on him about his performance, about his wicket-keeping skills. On the other hand, Prashant Solanki has been brilliant. Mukesh Chaudhary as well over there. All eyes on Mukesh Chaudhary. On the other hand, there's going to be Tanay Sangvi, Vicky Ostwal, Nikhil Kadam, Shubham Kadam as well, the 17-year-old boy. But as of now, there we go. The Robo-Dog with the Apex committee led by the president of the Maharashtra Cricket Association, Shri Rohit Dada Pawar, coming out with the two teams, the finalists of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League, as we get all ready. Yes, there we go. The umpires are ready. It's time for the finals of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. The openers who've been in good form. Vicky Ostwal missed out last evening with the bat in hand, but he compensated with the ball in hand. Vicky Ostwal, Siddesh Veer is the orange cap holder. He's been in some brilliant nick, hasn't he? But there we go, Vicky Ostwal. 155 runs for him in the series. The strike rate of 123 still has those 3 stitches. What a moment it was for him yesterday evening when he received the Player of the Match award. His mother was there. Meanwhile, Siddesh Veer, the series, 351 runs. A best of 104. He'll like to play that knock again, but it won't be easy because there we go, the senior pro of Maharashtra. And for the Eagle Nashik Titans, Mukesh Chaudhary will start proceeding. चला खेळूया चाबूक सामना होऊन जाऊ दे. Let's have a wonderful evening. The all-important finals of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League. The first ball coming in round the wicket. Oh, what a start! He's hit the right deck. That's a dream.
Wicket of Vicky Ostwal. He has this capability of really trunking the ball. In one match, he had scored 75. Got the award for the wicket of Vicky Ostwal. Vicky Ostwal goes for naught. RR.
In at number 3 is coming early. Harsh Mogavira. Again, who's an as? Oh, Mandar Bhandari. Generally, he is a very good keeper, but a rare lapse in
Different ball game altogether. Now coming into an element, picking that one very early. Short of length. What a shot that is by Siddesh Veer. This is what is expected of him. Yesterday. And that's a shot. That's what happens when you...
This time flies over the wicket keeper. Will get another boundary.
Short ball goes for it. How well has he connected? Yes, he has done it well.
बस यहाँ पर बढ़िया शुरुआत. बिल्कुल कमाल का शॉट. सिद्धेश वीर कमाल के फॉर्म में है. टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट बिल्कुल है. ये थर्ड मैन के ऊपर से चौका. ये गलत गेंदबाजी मनोज इंगले है. थोड़ी सी लाइन यहाँ पर चुप.
Oh, and he beats everything in the first delivery. How did that miss the stumps? Yeah, Oh, he's played that through the line. Oh, and it's gone the distance. Didn't look like it when he made contact. The timing on that quite brilliant. Will be interesting to see who gets it. And right on cue, Harsh Mogavira puts his hand up and says, I wouldn't mind getting that award. Take some of that, says Siddesh Veer. These two southpaws are matching each other shot for shot. And it's...
Again pull that one nicely. Will get a boundary. Pitch भी इतनी आसान नहीं थी. Yes, one more boundary.
फॉर्म पता चल जाता है.
Up in the air, straight, long off. Yes! Against the run of play.
Didn't quite connect on that one. Got the bottom of the bat. There was good turn, and the moment he connected, he knew that he's going to get out. Harsh Mogavira goes back at 48, 1-1-1 for 2.
नीरज जोशी walks in at number 4 for right.
महाराष्ट्र क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के लिए ये बड़ा शॉट सीधा मार दिया है, इनमें ये ताकत है। नीरज जोशी बहुत ही बड़ा छक्का यहां पर।
Final. This time once again. And in the stand. Go for. This time, short third man giving it a chase. The ball wins the race. What a way to end the over.
तीनों ही खब्बे रन बना रहे हैं अपनी टीम के लिए। एक बार फिर से जोरदार मारी है और बहुत दूर जाएगी गेंद। कमाल बल्लेबाजी हो रही है भाई। नीरज जोशी तीसरा।
Yeah, you knew it. How well has he hit that? Well enough to clear long off.
See call by the skipper himself, takes the outside edge and beats Mukesh Chaudhary. So there'll be a big one followed by a lucky boundary. Expensive start to the over.
Prashant as well. Yeah, you knew it was a matter of time. I don't think he's got the distance. Will be taken comfort.
गुगली थी आई नहीं बैट पे क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा ना स्क्वायर मारने चले गए थे। बेहतर होता अगर लॉन्ग ऑन के ऊपर से जाते तो। और अच्छा कैच पकड़ा है जी, लेकिन इस बल्लेबाज ने अपनी टीम के लिए अच्छा काम किया है। 27 बनाए 18 गेंदों में।
And at number 5, the skipper Rishabh Rathod is in.
That Matre. Sachin Das, that was. Oh, he's taken that full toss and made full use of it. All he had to do is use the. He's crunched that all right. Well, there's one thing about caressing a ball through the.
के लिए गए थे।
Another full toss, another boundary.
विकेट मिलेगी जी। स्पेल की आखिरी गेंद पे मुकेश को सफलता मिलेगी। स्पेल की पहली गेंद पे
But Rishabh Rathod hasn't been able to score in the last few matches. This time around finds the fielder. And Mukesh Chaudhary not disturbing the scorers. 172 for 4 after 19. Yeah, this time around he creates the shot for himself. He was expecting that one.
And he does that again. The audacity of it all. Siddesh Veer gets into the 90s. He's hit that well. There is long off. Siddesh Veer gets to 99. 18 runs of the last over. The Raigad Royals get to 190. They've saved their best performance for the big final. Come at the hour, come at the man. 99 of 59. And it's one of those knocks where even a 99 will be far more precious than a batting lineup. A star-studded one. Where it's a Siddesh Veer who makes the headlines in what's been a fabulous team effort from the Raigad Royals. It's the first time ever that they're in a final and they've managed to put up 190. After being Chaitanya, apart from Manoj Ingle, everyone else got the treatment.
Yeah, just a couple of wickets for Mukesh Chaudhary. It was Akshay Vaikar. 2 overs got wasted, 2 overs. And for 12 are his figures. Fall of wickets, lost the first. But as of now, in some time, we'll have the chase. Eagle Nashik Titans need 191 runs in their allotted 20 overs. It's on the board. And this is going to be a thriller. Oh, that's Arshin Kulkarni. Super striker he is. Giving him company is Mandar Bhandari. And
सागर जादव शुरुआत करेंगे। 7 विकेट चटका अब तक। इकोनॉमी हितेश बालन जाए जो और उनका काप्टे खट
coming in over the wicket off the inside edge. At a different short ball, pull connects well. Sarshan Kulkarni gets the
दबाव तो है।
on the up, no chance for the fielder. An extraordinary shot here. Barshin. There he goes, connects, sweet sound of the bat. Mandar.
Right in the slot, and Mandar Bhandari won't miss that one. Look at the eye of the tiger. Right over, long on.
And he sent a message, continues sending the messages. How well has he connected? Very well. That's what Arshin loves doing. Stands up tall, connects well, 4 runs.
Driven and will get a boundary. No harm done. The break has done no harm to Arshin.
Of impact. He doesn't start too well. Right. There's a fielder there and he takes it against the run of play, right on cue. Shubham Kadam comes back and how?
12 रन तो आए इस ओवर में, लेकिन आखिरी गेंद पे विकेट दिलाते हुए, और ऐसा लगा मंदार मारना भी नहीं चाहते थे, फिनिश भी नहीं किया शॉट को. नीरज जोशी अच्छा कैच पकड़ा आगे की तरफ भागते हुए, और जोश देखिए जैसे इस टीम ने वो विकेट लिया ना, पूरी टीम जोश से.
Yes, Mandar Bhandari walks off for 28. It's 62 for 1 after 7. He walks in place of Akshay Vaikar.
He's hit that so well and he'll pick up a boundary. He's a stylish left-hander, the 18-year-old Sahil Parekh.
Yesterday it was difficult to get past the 130 run mark. Today convincingly past 190.
Yes, actually, I feel that.
Nikhil, hold on. We'll just come back to you. As of now, let's go back to the call.
Yeah, frame by frame. One frame behind. Yeah, freeze it here. The bail has been dislodged by the ball. The wicketkeeper gloves is far from the stumps. I am ready with my decision for the big screen.
इनसे बहुत उम्मीद थी, बड़ी अच्छी बल्लेबाजी करी है पूरे टूर्नामेंट में, 7 रन बना के आउट हुए.
Rohan Damle, he's been... Oh, that's gone through, straight through the legs of the keeper. Didn't bounce.
गेंदबाजी की थी उन्होंने, मैच जिताई थी. मैन ऑफ द मैच यहाँ पर मिस टाइम हुआ है, बिल्कुल फील्डर के हाथ में. ओ 6 रन. नीरज जोशी, बढ़िया कैच पकड़ा उनका, थोड़ा सा गेम अवेयरनेस, बिल्कुल जगल कर सकते थे यहां पर 6 रन के लिए.
Apesh down the ground. What a way to bring up his first 50 of the season. A knock under pressure. His side needs him to fire.
And the first one, he tries to hoik that one. Will that be a catch? No, it passes the fielder. And that was a good shot, that, and the first ball met in the middle of the bat, and that's a 4 of the first ball.
That's been dismissed. Is the fielder? Yes! Yes, and that's Vicky Ostwal who takes the catch. You can't keep him out of the action. Tanay Sangvi picks up yet another wicket. Rohan Damle has been...
रोहन दामले आउट हुए 11 रन बना के 118 पर 3 ईगल नासिक.
Yes, the new man in is Ranjit Nikam at number 5.
अच्छा फिनिश कर दें यहाँ पे.
Has he finished it well? No, he hasn't. But Ranjit has finished the over well for the Eagle Nashik Titans.
मिलने का मौका हो सकता है. 4 मिलेंगे. ये जोर से नहीं मारा है, ये दिमाग से मारा है चौका, क्योंकि पॉइंट पिनू यहां ऊपर डाली है. दूर कितना जाएगा? बहुत दूर गया भाई, कमाल का ओवर आता हुआ.
So is Ranjit muscled. Oh, what power! Ranjit Nikam. 4 runs to end an expensive over.
That's a bit of a helicopter shot. He struck that well, all right. A wide-ish long gone. Boy, did he hit that well. Oh, he hasn't gotten anything on that. Long gone comes under. There's another twist in the tail. This game isn't done. The Roygate Royals are fighting back.
तने धीमी गेंद डाली थी, बैक ऑफ द एंड स्लोअर बॉल डाली थी, बहुत जोर से मारने गए हर्षन. हर्ष ने वो कैच पकड़ा है और महत्वपूर्ण कैच पकड़ा अपनी टीम के लिए. और खुशी देखिए, जानते थे वो कौन सा बल्लेबाज आउट हुआ है. तने इन्होंने पूरे सीजन में अपनी टीम के लिए कमाल गेंदबाजी करी है और विकेट्स लिए हैं. अर्शिन इन्होंने अपनी टीम के लिए बहुत जबरदस्त पारी खेली है, 77 बनाए हैं. ENT 159 पे 4.
Everyone's getting a little. There's a fielder there. He's underneath that and he drops it.
Cricket is such a great leveler. Yesterday, almost at this time, he took the... Oh, what a moment. He's dropped the catch and it'll trickle down.
शॉट ये भी करा रहा है, 4 और जोड़ दीजिए। 6 गेंदों के बाद स्ट्राइक आई थी रंजीत के पास, लेकिन इनकी फॉर्म में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा है। पहली गेंद में चौक
To win. Oh, was that in the slot? Oh, Rishabh! What have you done? Rishabh Rathod straight through the gates. What should have been a dot ball will result in 4. Go straight. Oh, that was tough. That was tough. It hit the bowler's hand, but still went away. 2-4 and oh, he's...
ये बिल्कुल आराम से गई है गेंद, उसके बावजूद जोर से गई है। बहुत जोर से चोट लगी है भाई कदम को, कोशिश करी थी उन्होंने। वो 2 गेंदें याद रखेंगे, पहली स्लॉट में डाली है, मौका है। और लीजिए, ये क्या हुआ है, इतनी भारी गलती, कैच तो छूटा ही छूटा, 6 रन भी जाएंगे यहाँ पे।
Versus Atharva Kane. First ball in the slot, fielder will be a spectator. Or again, it was off his hand and there we go. That was the winning moment for the Eagle Nashik Titans. सर्वत्र आज नाशिक ढोलचा गजर होणार आहे. अदानी महाराष्ट्र लीग 2025 मध्ये विजयी संघ आहे ईगल नाशिक टायटन्स. New champions, well played. Champions are the Eagle Nashik Titans. So that's the story of the finals of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League 2025. Raigad Royals were asked to bat first in their allotted 20 overs, 190 for 4. Siddeshwi top scorer 99. Mukesh Chaudhary picked up 2 wickets. Eagle Nashik Titans chased it down with 5 balls to spare. Arshin Kulkarni top scorer 77. And the Eagle Nashik Titans have won it by 6 wickets in hand, and that was the winning moment. That was the celebration for the Eagle Nashik Titans. They were the finalists in the last year's edition of the MPL, but this time around they've gone a step ahead.
Maharashtra Premier League, it's the Eagle Nashik Titans.
Bhautule, the brain. They are the ones doing in all the strategies for the Eagle Nashik Titans. Always important to get their homework in place. All the